I'm Holly with Monomachines, and this is the Dolly 41534 CleanTech High Security Shredder. It's a level 6 machine, and it's a great choice for high security environments. Come on in, let me show you how it works. It's got a 12-inch throat. It can shred in time, and it's got ESP. Yeah, an electronic sensing protection system. This will tell you if you're putting too much paper in and will virtually eliminate paper jams. It also has an auto oiler, so this little light will come on if you need to add oil. What I love about this machine, the safety technology. If for any reason you need to stop this machine from shredding, all you have to do is go stop, and it will. Okay, that's the voice command shut off. Heaven forbid your hair or your tie gets stuck in this machine, tell it to stop, and it will. But what really sets this shredder apart is it's the only one on the market that has an air filter. It's the CleanTech filter. Right? It has a little filter in the back that looks like this, and when you're shredding, particles can get released into the air. You can inhale those particles, and it's bad for your health. This filter is going to capture all those particles and keep your working environment very clean and safe. Down here, we've got a 38-gallon bin, and this is what your shreds are going to look like. Look at these tiny little high security shreds. Beautiful. Keep in mind, this is the only shredder on the market that has an air filter. It's also German made. It's got a chain-driven motor, and it's going to last you a very long time. Thanks for watching. I'm Holly with Monomachines.